So here you can see that I got some video footage on my timeline. So if I were to go ahead over here and then arrange it out even further, you can see that I can add in more footage, and I can go over here, add in more footage right here. But as I add in more footage right here, what happens is that the timeline, the video footage takes more space of timeline. So you can go ahead and then resize this out. But to get precise resize of the total video space is not possible by doing this in an instant. So what you can do is you can go ahead and click this button right here. It says zoom to fit to timeline, and the shortcut for it is Shift Z. So if I were to click here, you can see that now what happens is that it fitted the entire workspace over here. So whatever video you have, it has fitted it over here in this certain space. So you can go ahead and then rearrange it out. And let's say, for example, you want to do an auto fit again, you just simply click over here and then it'll fit it onto that space. So you can go around over here. So if you're not using that much space, then what happens is that once you click on this, it'll fit right there. And that is how you can zoom to fit in timeline in an instant inside of Filmora. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.